elementary school of Heinfeld in Lower Austria is the setting for a 3-week-long air filter study. The Institute for In-Room Air Quality Analysis is trying to determine the best environmental conditions for children to learn. For this purpose, the essential parameters for air quality in the classroom are monitored with and without the use of Dexwet pure air filters. The Austro-American filter manufacturer Dexwet Filters is a partner in this field study. Dexwet supplies clean-tech air filters that are attached to the bottom of the radiators. The odorless and noiseless technology traps particles that are invisible to the eye to ensure that the classroom air is constantly and efficiently cleaned. To protect individuals from the corona pandemic, schools adopted social distancing and required masks. It has also led politicians to think about the best way to provide clean air in schools that is free from airborne particles like bacteria and viruses. The elementary school of Heinfeld agreed to support Professor Tupler's ongoing field study using Dexwet filters. During the past weeks, regular classes were interrupted due to coronavirus restrictions. The summer semester will hopefully go better.
Wie die Luft ist. Ohne Viren, ohne Staub und ohne Bakterien.
The increasing exposure to fine dust, viruses, and pollen affects children, teachers, and parents alike. The coronavirus pandemic made this clear again. The challenges can be overcome with the appropriate filter technology for interiors. It is inexpensive and very easy to install and was developed to protect for many years to come.